Good morning, everybody. Okay, today we're gonna do cold start video. 68 Corvette. It's been sitting for a couple weeks. I just uncovered it, and this has different cold start reactions. Sometimes it starts right up. Sometimes you crank it a bit. Sometimes there's some smoke that comes out that's probably from too much gas. It's pretty warm this morning. I'm not going to use the choke, so we'll just see what it does. Car has a couple rattles. I know it probably sounds bad, see a little blue smoke over here in the sunshine. But it smells like gas. It doesn't smell like oil burning or anything. Me personally, I think the lifters are worn. I want to put new lifters in it and rocker arms, but it runs well. It does have a sound though. It's always sounded just like that. Okay, that's the end. Cold start video complete.